Welcome back to Grow with Books, where we turn life-changing books into inspiring lessons, one chapter at a time. Today, we dive into Chapter 3 of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Autosuggestion, the key to reprogramming your mind. If you've been following along, we started with desire, then explored faith, and now we unlock the tool that ties it all together, autosuggestion. This chapter is powerful, practical, and easy to apply, but it requires consistency, belief, and discipline. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to Grow with Books so you don't miss the rest of this chapter-by-chapter series. Let's keep growing together. Let's begin. What is autosuggestion? Autosuggestion is the practice of influencing your subconscious mind through repeated, intentional self-talk. It's not random thinking. It's conscious mental programming. You tell your mind what to believe over and over again until it accepts it as fact. Hill says, autosuggestion is the agency of control through which an individual may voluntarily feed his subconscious mind thoughts of a creative nature, or by neglect, permit thoughts of a destructive nature. Let's simplify that. You are constantly talking to yourself. Whether you realize it or not, you are always programming your mind, either with confidence or with fear, with belief or with doubt. Autosuggestion gives you the ability to take control of that inner voice, to stop letting the world write your mental script, and start writing your own. Here's how it works. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge. It doesn't filter. It accepts whatever you repeat to it, especially when that repetition is backed with emotion. If you tell yourself every day, I always fail, I can't do this, I'm not enough, your subconscious believes it, and your behavior follows that belief. But if you tell yourself daily, I am focused, I'm building wealth, I take action, I succeed, then over time your subconscious starts to believe that instead. That's the power of autosuggestion. Hill makes it clear. Autosuggestion is not magic. It's not wishful thinking. It's daily, disciplined repetition of a statement you choose, so that you slowly reprogram the part of your brain that controls your beliefs, emotions, and behavior. Let's look at how to apply this using Hill's exact 6-step formula from Chapter 1, but now with autosuggestion at the core. Step 1. Decide what you want, clearly and specifically. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Say, I will earn $100,000 per year through my own business. I will save $10,000 by December. Your mind responds to clear instructions. Step 2. Decide what you'll give in return. Success requires exchange. What will you trade for the result? Your time? Your skills? Your energy? No result comes without a price. When you declare the price and the goal together, your mind starts working toward both. Step 3. Set a deadline. Time frames create urgency. Your subconscious takes goals more seriously when there's a clear timeline attached. Step 4. Create a clear plan. Even if it's just a rough plan, write it down. Take a step forward every day, no matter how small. Your actions build momentum, and momentum strengthens belief. Step 5. Write your full statement. Now bring everything together. What you want, when you'll get it, what you'll give in return, and how you'll do it. Here's an example. I will earn $100,000 a year by December 31st through my online business by helping others improve their lives. In return, I will give 100% of my focus, time, and effort. I believe I will receive this, and I am acting on this belief starting now. This is your autosuggestion statement. Step 6. Repeat it aloud, every morning and every night. Read it. Speak it with emotion. Visualize it while you say it. The more feeling you bring to the words, the more your subconscious accepts it. Do this for 30 days, then 60, then 90. and watch your thoughts, actions, and results change. Let's pause for a moment. You might be thinking, this sounds too simple, or just saying words out loud won't change my life. But here's the truth. Everything in your life begins in your mind. Every decision, every habit, every belief, it all starts with a thought, either planted by the world or planted by you. Autosuggestion lets you take back control. Hill also warns, the subconscious mind will translate into its physical equivalent by the most direct and practical method available, any order given to it in a state of belief or faith. That means, if you program your mind with belief, you'll act with confidence. But if you program it with fear, your actions will reflect hesitation, procrastination, and doubt. So let's ask, what are you telling yourself right now? Let's go deeper. Autosuggestion doesn't just work for money goals. You can use it to build confidence. I speak with clarity and purpose. Health. I am full of energy and vitality every day. Relationships. I attract supportive, inspiring people into my life. Discipline. I follow through on my commitments with focus. You can apply it to any part of your life where you want change, because where your attention goes, your energy flows. Let's recap the key takeaways from Chapter 3. Autosuggestion is intentional self-talk. Your subconscious believes what you repeat with emotion. Create a specific goal statement using Hill's 6 steps. Repeat it daily, morning and night, with belief. What you say becomes what you believe. What you believe becomes how you act, and how you act becomes who you are. So here's your challenge. Write your own autosuggestion statement. Read it every day for 30 days. Say it out loud with passion. Watch your mindset shift. It won't happen overnight. But with time and repetition, you'll begin to think, speak, and act like the person you're becoming. You'll stop waiting for change and start becoming the change. This was Chapter 3 of Think and Grow Rich. Autosuggestion, the key to reprogramming your mind. If this helped you, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Grow with Books so you don't miss Chapter 4, where we explore specialized knowledge and how focused learning creates real-world results. And, in the comments, share your affirmation. What are you choosing to repeat to yourself from today forward? Thanks for watching, and keep growing.